Your first MCP server. Claude gets access to your files. No copy-paste, no uploads, just one config. First, what we're connecting. Claude Desktop is the host. It speaks to MCP servers, small processes that run on your machine and expose tools like reading files. Everything is local. Nothing leaves your computer. First, find the config file. On Mac, in Application Support for Claude. On Windows, in App Data. If it doesn't exist, we create it. Heads up, this is not in the Install folder. Now add the first server. In a single JSON, register the server under MCP servers. Name it file system. Command is npx, which runs the official package from Anthropic. In args, the -y flag, the package name, and an absolute path to the folder Claude will access. One folder only, not your whole machine. Save the file? You need a full restart. Closing the window with X is not enough. Claude keeps running in the background, and the new config won't load. Quit from the menu instead. Reopen Claude. Ask it to read a file. It'll ask for permission once, approve, and it works. MCP is USB-C for LLM. The config sits in your user folder. Full restart after every change. 3 servers worth knowing. File system, memory, GitHub, links in the description. Try it now. Next episode, 5 essential MCP servers worth installing today.